something that I've realized. Usually लोग weekends पे लंबा सोते हैं, but मेरा उल्टा हो गया है अभी. मैं weekends पे और जल्दी उठ जाता हूँ, just so I can go to these offbeat places in Mumbai and explore them. Not just offbeat places, actually any place in Mumbai and explore it. Because well, it's my city now, so you should know as much about it as possible. And today I woke up at around 5 o'clock, took a local, came to the Nala Sopara station, and वहाँ से I came to the Rajodi Beach, which is this place. That's the Rajodi Beach. But the reason I came here so early is because of this place. It's the Mumbai Surf Club. And they're about to open now. So आज मैं जा रहा हूँ सर्फिंग सीखने के लिए. Because surfing is something that only cool people do. और मुंबई आ चुका हूँ मैं, तो मेरे को cool तो बनना ही है. First of all, like a lot of people, I didn't even know that मुंबई में surfing होती है. But then I spoke to a good friend of mine at work. His name is Brendan. Thank you, Brendan. He told me that there's a place near Virar where they have surfing. So मैंने Google किया and फिर मैंने realize किया कि हाँ यार, मुंबई तो है कोस्ट लाइन पे. तो obviously कोस्ट लाइन है तो समुंदर भी होगा, समुंदर है तो लहरें भी होंगी. And that's how I came across this place. You Googled surfing in Mumbai and I came across Mumbai Surf Club. If you're coming here, it's advisable you call them one day in advance because you have to book a slot for your training. I have never surfed in my life before. So they said that they'll train you. They'll teach you all the basics. And उसके बाद तो क्या ही है, जो करना है समुंदर करेगा. Alright, so it's finally opened up now. Looks like a very cool place. You have the Mumbai Surf Club ka board right there. It's a cafe as well. Willkommen. You have a good boy. Here you have another good boy. And then you have all these surfboards.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just tweet your body, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
So, for the obvious reasons, there are a few things that you have to bring along when you're coming here. Fresh towel, fresh set of dry clothes, clothes that you'll be surfing in. Ideally, you should get that surfing wala jo hota hai, or those sports active wear clothes. I just got whatever I was wearing and I just woke up and I came. You have a cafe as well. See, early in the morning, these are the places to come to. एकदम कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द सिटी. आसपास सिर्फ हरियाली. वो देखो दूर एक उधर डिस्टेंस में घोड़ा भी घास चल रहा है. वह जूम इन. And apart from surfing, this place also has a skate ramp. ये है आपका skating ramp. And ये है another good boy. I'll just okay. So the cost per person for a surfing lesson is 1700 rupees. That's per person. Ideally, you just call the place one day in advance, book your slot, and they'll ask you to make a payment of 500 rupees, which is a non-refundable deposit. And once you come here, you make the remaining payment, and then you get to surf. Then you have this form that you have to fill. I just realized that I filled my age as 26, but in the next 1 week I'll be turning 27, which makes me realize there's so much in life that I've not done. Like, it's my first surfing lesson, but yeah, baby steps. Needless to say, it's always better that before this, if you know how to swim. I mean, it's always better irrespective of whether you're surfing or not. Like, swimming is one skill that almost everybody should know, at least the basics of it, so that you can survive in case there's a situation that demands it. But yeah, in the form also it was written that you should be able to swim at least 25 meters on your own. So it's important that you keep that fact in mind. 5 out of the 7 days in a week, I sit in front of an Excel. Today I'm going to surf. So I'll finally transform into a surf Excel today. क्यों चौक गए ना? It's definitely not as easy as it looks in the movies, man. ये पैट्रिक स्वेजी ने फंसा दिया यार. Point Break देख के आ गया था. But it's so much fun. The sun's out. My friends who are surfing with me are in the water. Manoj sir gave some really good training. But मुझसे बोर्ड पे खड़ा नहीं होया जा रहा है. So I'll just go and swim on my board.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me.
You look like Professor from that Money Heist.
Let's go surfing now.
So we're back at the surf club. I'll be changing into dry clothes now. पहली बार किया मैंने ये, सिर्फ मूवीज़ में देखा था इसके पहले. हमेशा लगता था सिर्फ कूल लोग करते हैं. So instead of watching cool people do it, I became the cool person who does it. Now मैं बोर्ड पे खड़ा नहीं हो पाया. There's a lot of things I was not able to do. But I did something for the first time and I really enjoyed it. So that's what matters, right? What a start to a long weekend. What a start. So, when I was a kid, I used to go swimming. I used to love swimming. I have asthma. So the doctors recommended that I should swim as much as I can because it'll give me a rhythmic breathing pattern. And it actually helped me a lot. But anybody who swims, anybody who's near the water would know कि एक बार पानी से निकलो तो इतनी भूख लगती है. You get famished. And luckily, the Mumbai Surf Club has a cafe as well. And a lot of dogs which are barking. So that's cute. But I ordered a chicken sandwich for myself and a virgin mojito, which has come. And it looks something like this. Beautiful.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
So yeah, this is a must-visit place. Visit it on any weekend that you guys get a chance to.
On weekdays also,
Weekdays also,
except Tuesday.
except Tuesday.
So ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella.
What a refreshing start to a nice weekend. Like, it's times like these that you realize तो अपने शहर के बारे में कितना कम जानते हो. Right? Like 1.5 साल से रह रहा हूँ मुंबई में. मुझे पता भी नहीं था यहाँ पे सर्फिंग होती है. But Mumbai Surf Club, man, what nice people. मज़ा आ गया. Everybody was super helpful. And they teach you from the basics. So even if you don't know, you will get to learn a lot. I'm at the Virar station now. I'll be going back to Andheri. I think I'll call it a day now because super sleepy.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella.